Okay, common. What is our a here? A is a upon 2. Why a is a upon 2? Because it is in the place of a. And what is b? This full thing. B is b upon 3. So now a square. A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Hello all, welcome back to my channel Crack It with CK. In today's class we are going to use these formulas for all the sums that we will be doing today. So the very first one is a plus b, the whole thing square. You are supposed to expand this. So this is the formula that we are going to use. A square plus 2ab plus b square, and if there is a minus sign in between these two terms, then a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now see, we are almost using the same thing. The only difference is if there is a plus sign over here, you will use both the plus signs. Everything else is exactly the same. Just look here. And if it is a minus sign, the first one will be minus, but the second one will always be plus. You have to remember this, guys. Don't write minus sign over here also. Okay. Let us move to the questions. Okay. Now look here. This is the expansion of a plus b, the whole thing square. How do I know that? Because there is a plus sign in between. That's it. So I have used this formula. There will be both the plus signs will appear in this formula. So now what is a and what is b? Okay, so 5a and 6b. Our a is 5a and b is full 6b. Now let us just put it in the formula. A square. What is a? 5a. I'm putting it in the brackets, okay? A square plus 2 into a, which is 5a, into b, which is 6b, plus b square. 6b square. Okay, what did I do here? This is the formula. I am just putting this a in its place. 2ab. So 2 into 5a into 6b. And plus b square. What is b? 6b plus b square. Now just solve this part. The first is 5a square is 5 square is 25a square plus, you always do this whole thing together, okay? 5 2 is 10, 10 into 6 is 60 a and b. So plus 60 ab plus 36b square. Why 36b square? 6 square of 6 is 36. Square means the number has to be multiplied twice. And b into b square, b into b is b square. Let's move to the next one. Again, a plus b, the whole thing square. I have already written the formula over here. Both will be plus signs, that we know, right? Now I've given this in the fraction form. I'm doing of each type so that there is no confusion in your head and I'm not repeating the same types, okay? Okay, common. What is our a here? A is a upon 2. Why a is a upon 2? Because it is in the place of a. And what is b? This full thing. B is b upon 3. So now a square. A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. See guys, you don't even need to write all this over. You can just look over here. What is a and what is b? Don't look at, as soon as you know that there is a plus sign, you have to know that these two are your plus signs and just go about writing a in place of the formula. Okay. Now a square upon 4, because the square of a is a square and the square of 2 we'll have to make the square of the entire thing, okay? Numerator and denominator. Now what are we going to do over here, guys? This one whole thing I wanted to solve together. In multiplication, is it possible to cancel out anything? Yes. This 2 and this 2 will cancel out, divide by 2, so it will go away. What remains? This is a, this is b, and this is 3. Okay. So plus This is going away. AB upon 3 plus B square upon 9. The square of 3 is 9. Many people make a mistake, 3 to the 6. Oh no. Okay, the third sub question of question 1. There is a minus sign in between now. What is the only difference that we have to do now? Instead of plus over here, there will be minus sign here and a plus sign here. That's 8. So let's do fast. Now over here, what is our A? A is x and B is 2 upon x. Okay, so let us just put it in the formula. A square. X square minus 2 into A into B plus B square. Now let's just solve that part. X square minus, now again the important part, I wanted to do this full thing together. So x and x will go away because it's cancelling the numerator and denominator, and only 2 2s are 4 remains. Okay, x square minus 4 plus 4 upon x square. Be very careful over here, guys. Don't forget to square the denominator also, because you're supposed to square the entire fraction. Okay, the next one is, what is A and what is B? This is A and this is B. I'm going to straight away do now. A square. Ax square minus 2 into A into B. This is my bracket, okay guys, it's not C or something. Plus B square. Now, A square x square minus, I'm going to do this full together, 2axby plus b square y square. Done. Okay, in the second part, again, you have to do this. Now see guys, they are going to say that use the formula to expand this, okay, to find the value of this. You have to use the formula. How do we do that now? See, now 102 raised square they have given. Now if I want to make this in the form of a plus b square or a minus b square, I have to change this to 100 plus 2 square. Now you will say, why 100 plus 2? Why can't I take 99 plus 3 or something else? If you have to make a square of any number with zeros, it's pretty easy actually. That's how it is supposed to be done, okay, by the way. It's not my rule. Okay, so now see what we have done is, we have made this into a plus b the whole thing square. Instead of 102, I will write 100 plus 2, and now we will use a plus b and find out the value of this. Okay, so a square, you want me to write the formula again once? Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. What is our a now? 100 is a and 2 is our b. 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2ab plus 2 square. What is the square of 100? How many of zeros are there now, guys? Just double it. Double the number of zeros. Here there are 2 zeros. Make them 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10,000. Plus, do all this together. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 100 is 400. Plus, what is the square of 2? 2 2s is 4. So 10,000 plus 400 plus 4 is 10,404. This is how you have to show this in the form of expansion, okay? Okay, now in the previous sum, we used 100 plus 2. In this, I'm going to use 100 minus 3. Now this has become a minus 3 the whole thing square. The formula for this is going to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a? 100 is my a and 3 is my b. Okay, so I'm just going to use it in the formula. 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. 100 square again we know is double the number of zeros, minus, do this together, 3 to the 6, 600, 100, 600, plus 9. Now just solve this part. 10,009 minus 600. Okay, 10,009 minus 600. I just applied board mass. Okay, I first added this and then I'm subtracting this. 90, this becomes 9409. Okay, the last one of this type, can you all guess, guys, what I'm going to make this as? 997 it is. 997, the best way to split it is 1000 minus 3. 1000 minus 3 is going to give me 997. Okay, now square this up. What is our A? 1000 is A and 3 is B. Apply the formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square. 1000 square. Oh, 1000 square minus 2 into A into B plus B square. Now 1000 square just double the number of zeros. Instead of 3 zeros, I'm going to put 6 zeros now, which becomes 10 lakh minus, multiply all this together. 3 2s are 6, 6 into 1000 is 6000 plus 9. Okay, so this becomes 994009. I will be uploading the next phases very soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.